Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Debrina Shaha from Food and Nutritional Department 5th semester from Shet Anandaram Jaipuria College. Today I'm preparing Malai Cake for the occasion of Nutritional Month 2022. So without further ado, let's get started. At first, we have to take refined flour, which is maida, in a bowl. Then add sugar powder, baking soda in it and mix well. Then add some milk to the batter and mix them well. Mix all the ingredients very well and then add some melted butter to the batter and mix it into a smooth paste. Then I have used an aluminium bowl and used some melted butter in it to spread evenly in the utensil perfectly. Then I have taken a butter paper and cut them into the shape of the bowl and placed it inside. Keeping it on high flame for 10 minutes, and afterwards I have turned it on low flame. Then I have poured the batter into the bowl slowly and also shaked it up a little so that there's no bubble in it. After 25 minutes, the cake is ready. At first, take a pan and pour 1 liter milk in it and boil it. Then add some sugar powder. After adding sugar powder, I have taken a big spoon so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Then add some cardamom powder to the hot milk. Then I have taken saffron in small bowl in milk and poured the mixture to the pan. When the malai is thick, I have taken some saffron in a bowl along with some milk in it and then mixed it well and poured the saffron milk into the pan. Finally, our malai is ready. When the malai reaches the room temperature, I have poured it onto the cake. Then I have taken some saffron and some almonds to garnish our cake. After everything is done, we have to take the cake and keep it inside the freezer for 30 minutes. Our malai cake is ready to be served.